Mga brother,
Yes.
I have this question in
Yes.
mind. Yeah. Sumakses na ba kayo in life?
Like successful na.
Yeah.
Okay. I think I would consider myself successful. Yes.
There's levels, diba, to success. I think nandyan na ako sa level ng success. Pero may mga ladder pa din. Pero nasa first, na ako. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, nice. Sige. So, for me, sumakses na rin tayo. Ramdam na natin yung konting success. And this is very important, mga brother, kasi this will be our topic for the night.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Diba? This is After Office, conversation that matters beyond the 9 to 5.
This is Jonas.
Yeah, it's Sherwin.
And Rocky.
Okay. So, dahil success ang ating topic for tonight, mga brothers.
Mm-mm.
So, Doc Rocky.
Oo, may nakikita ako na very appealing.
Ay, ano yan?
Will you
Ako na.
open the magic bottle
I will
in
be the
front of
tribute
us?
tonight.
Yeah.
Alam mo ba na si Rocky, sommelier ito namin eh.
Uy!
The resident sommelier of After Office.
Yeah.
Sumakses.
Sumakses na.
Ano ba to? Champagne. No?
Champagne, brother. Sparkling.
Pwede ito muna wala tayong champagne. I can taste freshly cut grass. A hint of citrus.
Madidiscuss mo na yung history ng champagne.
Yes.
Yeah.
From the mountain of France.
Dibidabo. Nice. Talagang may champagne. Parang ang dami nung sa akin kasi malawak yung yung diameter. Pero mas okay yun for me.
Okay, so let's make a cheers for that.
Cheers!
Sumakses na!
Cheers.
Yeah.
Woo!
Let's go!
Ikaw na yun.
Yeah, disclaimer, aging is aging. Sabi ko. Drinking alcohol is only for 18 years old and above.
So, Doc Jonas, Doc Rocky, before we have our 9 to 5 jobs, paano ba natin view yung success? Nung mga bata-bata pa tayo. Bago pa lang tayo sa industriya.
Tingin ko lahat ganun. I think lahat ng bagong graduate ng college and even younger ones.
Yeah.
Parang pare-pareho yung meaning ng success. Really
Which is?
more on materialistic. Finances.
Yeah.
Nung bata-bata ako, for me, successful ka kapag you're driving your own car.
Yeah.
You are living in a big house.
Yep.
Tapos ikaw, boss ka ng isang kumpanya na ang maraming tao na under sa'yo.
Correct.
Tapos you can travel, you can go on vacations.
Yeah.
So for me, yun yung dati kong measure of success. Ikaw?
Before, ano kasi ako brought up by mom used to be a nurse. So parang yung definition of success, if you go out of the country, work abroad.
Aha.
Ayun,
Correct.
yun yung palaging sinasabi na pag, galing ka ng ibang bansa,
Yeah.
parang successful ka na.
Iba yung dating, no?
Kaya sa probinsya, ganun eh.
Sa probinsya, di ba? Pag ikaw galing sa Amerika, pagbalik mo, dapat ikaw taya.
Oo.
Piestahan yan. Piestahan.
Fiesta yan.
Oo.
Oo.
Oh,
So
tsaka
yun
lagi
yung...
ka may dala-dalang balikbayan box na punong-puno ng spam
At tsokolate.
at tsokolate
Yes.
at ano yung sabon na dial.
Dahil ba yun?
Or hidden spring. Anyway,
Yeah.
ikaw.
Na sa akin, nung bata ako kasi, NPA kami. Walang permanent address. Di ba?
Medyo kinabahan ako ng slide dun
Hindi,
sa...
renta-renta lang ibig sabihin nun.
NPA.
Hindi yung NPA na yun. Diba? Ibig sabihin, walang pambayad, lilipat ng bahay, ganyan. And nung nagkaroon ng trabaho, success para sa akin, magkaroon ng sariling bahay. That's it. Iba yung pakiramdam pag may sarili kang bahay eh. Tama ba? Na parang, alam mo yun, parang, pag nagtanong yung anak mo, kasi assignment nila sa school, Daddy, anong itsura ng bahay natin? Di ba? So may drawing niyang mabuti. Ito yung bahay namin. Di ba? So for me, that's success for me.
Okay. Medyo deep. Oo.
Medyo deep.
Medyo malayo yung pinanggalingan na history.
Hugot na hugot.
Oo, correct.
Hugot na hugot.
Well, totoo naman na
Yeah.
gano'n. Kung ano yung background mo nung bata ka,
Yeah.
it will always define kung ano ba yung success for you. Probably for some reason na pinanganak na mayaman, baka yung pagiging mayaman, hindi yung level of success
Yeah,
na hinahanap
for sure,
nila.
for sure.
Probably something else.
Oo.
Pero tayo mga pobre, talagang yun yung, sa simula, yun yung talagang measure of success. But habang tumatanda ka, nag-evolve din yung meaning of success for you.
Yeah.
Yes, sabi nung, what's that quote from kay Jim Carrey ba nung nag-speech siya na, I hope that everybody becomes rich and famous so that everybody would know that when you get there, it's not everything.
Yeah.
And it's not really what success is.
Dumating ka na ba sa point na yun?
Na
Hindi na.
rich and famous?
Yeah.
Hindi.
Hindi pa. Papunta pa lang. Di ba?
Pa Jim Carrey ba?
Oo, Jim Carrey na to eh. Ikaw, Doc?
Wala pa.
Wala pa.
Getting there. I'm still on the process. Process pa rin of gaining something, knowing yourself even better.
Yeah.
For me kasi, my definition of success now is far different from how I view success then. Now, it's more on all aspects. Like physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, financially. When you talk about success, you can share your blessings to a lot of people, especially people surrounds you.
Yeah.
With your friends, with your family, with the acquaintance, or people na you don't know. You can share something, blessings or something like that. For me, that's success. Yeah.
Ibang klase.
Yeah, ganda yun.
Diba? Ganda nun. Hindi, tsaka, ibig sabihin pala, ito na-observe ko sa mga questions natin, sa mga answers natin. Ang success pala, habang nare-reach mo siya, nagbabago, nagle-level up.
Oo, kasi that's the only way to grow.
Yeah.
Is you always, kasi there should always be new goals to reach. Parang if you reach a goal that you've set like 5 years ago, in order for you to grow, you have to set new goals. There should always be new mountains to climb, new lands to conquer. Very I can't find the words. Pero the idea is talagang hahanap ka ng mga bagong bagay na gusto mong ma-achieve. So in turn, yung success mo nag-evolve. Yung definition mo of success nag-evolve din. For me, dati nga, gusto ko lang is magkaroon ng gantong number of money sa bank. For some people, ganon. Or magkaroon ng bahay, magkaroon ng kotse. Which is probably sa mga fresh grads, yun talaga yung
Initial goal nila,
yung driving
Yeah.
force na papasok ka ng 9 to 5 para ma-achieve mo yung goals na yon. And then when you get there at a certain age, marirealize mo na meron pa palang ibang aspects in life, hindi lang material things. So sa akin, I feel na isa sa mga main things na makukonsider ko na successful ako is I have my own family. Well, it's not for everyone. Hindi man ibig sabihin na wala kang asawa or wala kang anak, hindi ka successful. Kanya-kanya, tingin ko. Kung ano yung tingin ko na being happy is also being successful. Some
Yeah,
people go sa arts and kung ano yung kung happy sila sa ginagawa nila and they are living comfortably, I think at in their own right masasabi nila that they are successful. So it doesn't always have to be being rich.
Yeah, agree. I am 100% certain of that also. Na it's not all about money.
Yeah.
It's not all about.
But can we equate success to happiness? If you're successful, are you happy?
Depends on how
Or will you be happy kahit
define-
hindi ka successful?
Depends on how you define success eh. Kasi it's a subjective question. So,
Okay.
Ayun nga,
that's-
kasi
that's
kung
for me.
bata ka, kung you thought na money will give you happiness and that would equate to success, then in that scenario, para siyang A equals B equals C. So parang pare-pareho siya.
Yeah.
Pero habang tumatanda ka, you gain more wisdom and you wanted to do more things in life, then hindi na siya, may disconnect na. Hindi na siya just because you have money, you are successful. But I think if you are happy, you are, there is, may added yun para matawag mong successful ka.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kasi I feel like hindi ka mo masasabi talaga successful if you are, even if you are the richest guy in the room, kung hindi ka naman masaya, hindi mo masasabi na successful.
Yeah. Okay. Sige. May next question ako. Random question lang. Nasa iba-ibang industry tayo. For all our audience tsaka listeners, how can we be successful and at the same time happy doon sa respective jobs natin?
Thank you for that wonderful question.
Hindi, di ba?
Next question.
Hindi kasi,
Hindi.
we wanted na, uy, ganito gawin mo, you will be successful and then at the same time, you will be happy.
Ako, tingin ko is yung
Well, cut mo na kita.
go.
I've seen you with doing your career all your life. I mean, more than 13 years, diba?
Yes.
And for a time, you wanted to be a painter, you wanted to be an artista. Lahat gusto mong pasugin, bro.
Bro, hinintay ko na nga lang yung Century 2 na eh.
Exactly.
Yun na lang.
Uy, nag-train ako para doon. Hindi lang nag-materialize. Kasi nga nag-pandemic.
Di ba?
Ang dami mo sinalian, bro. Ang daming...
Yeah. Nag-PBB pa ako.
Ang dami.
Yun nga, tingin ko yung success, there are very few people and they are considered very blessed na gusto nila yung ginagawa nila.
Okay,
And
so dapat
masaya
gusto
sila.
yung ginagawa nila.
And then they can earn a lot from it.
Okay.
So, tingin ko yun yung pinaka, in a perfect world,
In a
is
perfect world.
sobrang happy ka sa ginagawa mo and then you make a living out of it.
Yeah.
Wow.
And make a living na enough to help your family and also help other people. So, ilan lang ba yung mga taong ganun? Di ba?
Well, sometimes
Hindi
you can't
lahat.
imagine the hard work they put in. Let's say, for example, Michael Jordan or LeBron. How disciplined, di ba?
Yeah.
Yeah, the discipline.
The,
yeah.
the
Pero ang
discipline
tanong,
is
gusto ba
crazy.
nila talaga yun? Yun talaga kaya yung pangarap nila? I don't know, nabasa nyo ba sa sa
Yeah.
sa biography?
Feeling ko. Hindi ko alam.
Kasi-
Feeling ko lang.
Kasi us from the outside looking in, baka naman nakala natin, ay, ang galing kasi ginagawa nila yung gusto nila. Pero yung pala, ginawa lang nila yun kasi
Yeah.
it's a means for them to provide for their family. Pero we consider them as successful in that field. So what's my point?
I mean,
ibig sabihin, baka these people na we consider successful, tingin natin, yes, they put in the effort, they put in the energy and the discipline.
Yeah.
And naging successful sila. Pero baka naman, parang tayo, hindi rin naman pala yun yung main na gusto nilang gawin in life.
So that can be a question of happiness. Kasi hindi nila gusto yun eh. Pero they're successful.
Yes, tingin ko. Oo. Pero this is all hypothetical kasi hindi naman natin sila kilala.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Maybe
Pero,
we can speak na lang for ourselves kung
Yeah.
ano ba yung tingin mo na nangyayari in
Ikaw.
your life. Ikaw muna.
Ikaw
Kanina
muna.
pa ako nagkasalita eh.
Dahil mo rin
Pero I
sinabi.
can also view that as in relation to what you have shared kanina. Ito yung available right now. And naging successful ako. And nung naging successful ako, maybe this is something na magpe-prepare sa akin to the another chapter of my life na happy na ako. And at the same time, ito na yung gusto ko na magiging successful pa ako.
Okay.
Tama ba?
So, ibig sabihin, hindi nag-equate na happiness equals success. Oo. With that train of thought, with that logic,
Yeah.
ibig sabihin, hindi nag-equate na happiness equals success. Di ba? Ngayon ko lang din na-realize.
Hindi kasi-
I thought kasi pag happy ka, pwede ka maging successful. Pero there are a lot of people na who are struggling, yet they are happy with, they're just naturally happy. Pero hindi mo makonsider that they are successful dahil they are struggling financially. So
Kasi-
maybe it goes hand in hand.
Kasi if we will observe, di ba, I hope you also notice this, ang daming tao na palipat-lipat ng trabaho. Di ba? How can they gain mastery and eventually be successful kung palipat-lipat? And maybe the culprit will be, are they happy? Maybe not.
Or maybe it's just personality. They're just people na hindi makatagal sa isang lugar.
Okay.
Meron kasing mga tao talaga na na they feed on things na bago. Like that's why they jump from one place to another, or maybe their background is they don't have a lot of responsibilities that they can afford to do that. Pero for us kasi parang, and I can speak probably for most Filipinos, that we are tied up in our responsibilities.
Yeah.
So parang for us, ang nagiging attitude is really stick with one thing, be good at it, and then you can consider yourself successful if you're really on top of the food chain on whatever field that you've chosen.
Yeah. Pero ganun sinabi ni Doc Rocky kanina. Para doon sa mga papasible pa lang sa trabaho, as long as you are loving what you do, diba, there's a high chance or probability na it will be successful.
Yeah. Putting in the work. Yeah.
Diba? Pero dapat kumikita. Kasi gutom, ipula.
Yes. So
Diba?
Pero well, not 100% muna. At first kasi, I mean, based on our
you have to be
experience,
practical.
Yeah.
Sa simula.
Sa una, you just have to think yung parang ano ba yung gusto kong mangyari sa buhay. Kasi sometimes, pag bata ka pa, clueless ka eh.
Yeah.
You are looking for something na...
Kaya kailangan nila ng after office.
Exactly.
Ng guidance.
Yeah.
Guidance. Na parang, it's all about money.
Yeah.
Sometimes they want a fresh grad. Fresh grad.
Okay.
They would want
Careful.
I need to be careful. They want like higher salary kaagad.
Yeah, magandang topic
Diba?
yan. Yan, oo.
Ako,
Oo.
when I started out, back in 2008, yung first salary ko, 8,000 pesos.
Oy, same tayo.
Wait, mas
Same,
mata.
8,000.
Tapos yung sahod nyo ko, 7.5 ako.
7.5. Mas mayaman pala kami.
500 lang nila, man. Ito naman.
Tapos yung gwardiya sa kapitbahay namin, ang sweldo niya, 15,000.
License, no?
Gwardiya. Tapos tayo, lisensyado, di ba?
Oo. Nag-board exam ka pa.
Nag-board exam pa tayo. So, yun yung starting eh. And sometimes you can't change the fact that that is your value at that moment.
Correct. Agree. Totally agree.
O hindi ibig sabihin na ganun ka na, ganun lang yung sweldo mo, ganun ka na lang forever. So you have sometimes nilalagay ka doon to humble yourself.
Testing ground, no?
Testing ground yan. Kasi at the end of the day, you want skills because the skills will pay the bills.
Di ba? Di ba?
Yeah.
Long term.
Yeah, long term.
Long term yun.
Long term.
Because you can't gain the skills in like months.
Yeah,
It will
I
take
agree.
years.
Totally agree.
Yeah. So, yeah, I mean, iba-iba. Iba-iba
Oo.
talaga.
Basta feeling ko yung attitude really matters. Yung
Attitude, bro.
instant gratification attitude. Hindi talaga it will never really fly off. Parang hindrance siya to success.
Yeah.
Yung attitude na gusto ko, I want this now. Kasi the road to success is very few people yung kinabukasan successful na. It really takes a long time.
Yeah.
A lot of effort, a lot of hard work, a lot of commitment, and sacrifices
Yeah.
oftentimes.
I don't believe you will gain success without sacrifice.
Correct. Would agree.
Diba?
Kasama siya eh.
Sobrang kasama siya. Hindi siya pwedeng pag punta mo doon, bigla ka na naging successful. Pag binigay ang bigla, do you think feeling mo successful ka? Hindi.
Parang
feel-
fulfillment.
Yeah.
Hindi siya, kasi hindi mo siya pinaghirapan eh. Hindi mo siya walang battle dito. Walang battle.
Ganda nung sinabi na walang fulfillment. So, ibig sabihin, ang fulfillment pala or ang satisfaction in doing what you do is also a form of or a contributor of happiness.
I think doing, sorry, can you repeat?
Yung fulfillment, yung satisfaction na mahirap, andyan yung puyat, pagod, tapos eventually you become successful.
I think mas sa akin yun, mas sakto na definition of success yun. Yun when you are fulfilled in whatever it is that you're doing, na hindi nagmamatter ang ibang bagay, I think that's success.
Okay. So, ang ganda rin nung sinabi mo, Doc, na talagang we need to embrace yung chaos in life. The challenges, the problems. Kasi in chaos, there is order. Ibig sabihin, andun na yung success. Kasi kung wala ito, wala kang pupuntahan ng iba. Di ba?
Well, whether you like it or not,
It will be there.
Yeah, it will be there.
It
There
will
Inevitable.
always be chaos.
Inevitable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hindi naman pwedeng lahat na lang masaya.
Oo.
'Di ba? Lahat na lang parang wow, parang walk in the park. Hindi naman ganoon palagi.
Okay. Oh.
In your health, in your mental health, financial health, emotional health, spiritual health, the same thing. If you don't work on that aspect, you will suffer. That's why we have to work on certain things if you want to be successful at that particular area.
Correct.
So, it's not always one aspect. A lot of aspects. All aspects.
Okay. So, ngayon, ganda nun ah. We need to enjoy. We need to be satisfied. Meron pa ba?
Fulfilled.
Fulfilled. Diba? In order for us to be happy and successful.
Yeah. But at the end of the day, bro, ano naman kanya-kanya talaga siya eh. Kasi let's say, for example, dati, 'di ba, nag-iisip tayo, kunwari, nag-iisip tayo kung bibili tayo ng corneto, sabi mo. Ako,
Parang masarap yun.
May ganun pa ba ngayon?
yung Jollibee.
Wala na yata.
Bro, Jollibee. Yung Jollibee, hindi nga ako kakain ng Chicken Joy eh. Hindi ako kakain ng Chicken Joy.
Burger steak.
Burger steak lang. Kasi yung 2-piece, mahal. Yung burger steak, mas mura.
Diba? Oo, correct.
Oo, diba? May sauce ka na extra rice.
Oo.
Diba? Pero pag na-afford mo na yung Chicken Joy na 2-piece chicken, so parang feeling mo, uy, nakaangat-angat na ako.
Oo.
At that moment, feeling ko successful na ako. At that moment. Pero pag sanay ka na doon, hindi na siya yung measuring cup mo na, uy, successful na, hindi. Hindi na Jollibee. Diba? Next step na.
Kaya nga,
Samgyup
success
na.
is subjective.
Yeah.
It's always subjective.
It's always
yeah.
subjective, and it always depends on the person's measure of success. Maybe the society is making an idea of what a successful person looks like. Pero I think the important thing is ikaw bilang tao, you know your goals, you know kung ano yung gusto mong marating. Even if the society doesn't if it doesn't coincide with what the society is telling, I think if ma-achieve mo yung goals na yon, I think you should consider yourself successful. And no matter what other people will say, you should always consider yourself successful if you've reached the goal that you've set upon for yourself. Kasi nga, iba-iba yung levels. Maybe the society is saying na dapat ganito at this age, dapat meron kang bahay, lupa, kotse,
Yeah.
asawa, 2 anak. Pero hindi naman pala yun yung goal mo. So hindi mo talaga ever mararating yung success.
Yeah.
So ikaw mo yung magse-set. Ano ba yung meaning of success for yourself? So from the very beginning, feeling ko pagka bata ka pa, you should always have a vision of kung ano yung success for you. And pag na-achieve mo yon, you can be happy. You don't need other people telling you otherwise. Kasi ikaw sa personal mong opinion, you are successful.
Yeah.
Yeah. Having said that, after you telling us about the vision na pagbata ka pa, going back, ako kasi palagi akong nag-create ng vision board. So, hindi naman palagi, no? Pag na-reach ko yung certain level na yon or certain success, nag-iiba na yung vision board ko. Binalikan ko yung vision board ko before 20 years, 15 years ago. Iba na siya. Sabi ko, ay, nakuha ko na pala
Nalagpasan
siya.
mo na.
Nalagpasan ko na siya. So, iba na pala yung hinahanap ko ngayon.
Yung vision board ba is literal na board?
Yeah.
Yes. Like, kukuha ka ng picture, kakat mo, lalagay mo doon.
Actually, that's a good tip
Diba?
para sa audience kasi
Yep.
ibig sabihin if we are aiming something, diba? Kailangan pa lang i-put down into writing or maybe ilagay sa isang board na talagang nakikita mo siya daily. No?
Yes.
That will motivate you. I need to do better this day.
Yes.
Diba?
Kasi blessed are those who have circles kaagad na successful.
Correct.
What if wala kang ganun? Pag-uusapan nyo, puro lang negative.
Correct.
At least may board kang babalikan sa bahay nyo. Titingnan mo, I want to reach that level. So, 'di ba? Ikaw, you have to motivate yourself
Correct.
first.
Oo.
And until such time na you can find people like you guys na that can motivate each other, like me being motivated by the both of you. So, that's a win. But apart from that, you have to have your own na vision board. Kasi iba-iba tayo ng definition of success, as I've been reiterating this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Siguro may dagdag ako. I-correct nyo rin ako. No? I can also view success kasi and happiness by asking ourselves yung meaning. Bakit ko ba kailangan maging successful? Natanong nyo ba yan? Why you do what you do na papagod ka. Eventually, tawag dito, at the end of the day, di ba sabi sa Ecclesiastes, everything is parang
Meaningless.
meaningless. Di ba? Pero at the same time, ang ganda na alam mo yung maybe the logical reason of doing what you want to do. Kasi may meaning. Okay, ginagawa ko to kasi para ito sa pamilya ko. Ginagawa ko to para sa mag-ina ko. Ginagawa ko ito para sa
Sa'yo.
o sa akin, sa dream ko of giving back to the community. Diba? Tama ba yun?
Oo, yeah. I think success has always have to be meaningful.
Yeah.
Kasi kung walang reason why you're doing such things, there's no point doing it at all.
Diba? Parang wala rin magmamotivate sa'yo kasi hindi mo alam kung bakit nga ba.
And also, I always believe that mauubos ka eh.
Yeah.
Mauubos ka. That's why you need to have support group also. That will motivate you pag nauubos ka na. That's the reason why there's brotherhood.
Yeah.
Iron sharpens iron.
Mm-mm.
It's important for us to have that. Kasi wala eh. Tao lang tayo.
Yeah.
Motivated tayo. The next day parang, wow. Sobrang, I'm
Absent.
done.
kaya di ba? Ang ginagawa natin sa GC natin, guys, nasan kayo? Kape tayo.
Yeah. Laging ganon.
Yeah.
Nasan kayo? Kailangan ko kayo ngayon. Kape tayo. Mag-pause muna tayo.
Yeah, I hope everybody will find a group of people na ganon, to find a circle wherein they can just text and to have a chat,
Yeah.
na maging fuel to encourage one another.
Yeah.
Grabe, no? From broke to this.
Kaya ang sarap.
Nakaluwag-luwag. That's how I put it. Nakaluwag-luwag. Cheers!
Cheers.
Nakaluwag-luwag.
I hope you also agree na it's important to rest after our 9 to
Yeah,
5.
biblically yan.
Yeah, di ba?
Na mag-rest.
Bakit? Bakit kailangan daw?
Physically, mentally, and spiritually, to focus yourself. And also to reevaluate. Nasaan ka na ba?
Yeah.
Ano pa yung mga kailangan mong gawin? Nakapagbigay ba ako ng meaning sa mundo? And also to recalibrate, reassess where ano ba yung areas in your life na gusto mong i-improve on.
Andun yung reflection, ano?
At saka physically din, talagang kailangan mag-rest.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi tayo machines. Hindi tayo robot
Yeah.
na pwede mo lang i-plug and play. So kailangan mo talaga
On
mag-rest.
and off, no? How about you, Doc?
Yeah. Same thing. We have to rest. We really need to rest. I mean, there's always time for everything.
Yeah.
And may season sa lahat. So rest is a must because God Himself rested
on the seventh day.
on the seventh day.
Sige. May additional question ako dyan about rest.
Hindi ka mag-isip ng questions, ha?
Hindi.
In fairness.
Pumapasok lang bigla eh. Ang rest ba, kailangan you relax? Ang rest ba, kailangan hindi ako agitated, kailangan magsulo? Or maybe...
Hindi kailangan magsulo. Ako I think yung rest na sinasabi is really getting away from what you are doing the whole day.
Okay, so
it doesn't
dapat
have to be
something
solo. It's something different. You can be with your friends and you're resting. Or you are driving, going somewhere, and that's also a form of rest.
Yeah.
Staying at home, doing nothing is also a form
Yeah.
of rest. Talking to your wife is also a form of rest. So, parang hindi kailangan na mag-isa ka.
Correct. Parang si Doc Jonas, di ba? Parang after 9 to 5, jiu-jitsu. Di ba? Or maybe firing. Di ba? Nakakapagod eh. Is that rest? Pero at some point, I can view that as nare-restore yung energy mo eh.
Yeah.
Physically, yeah, it's exhausting. Pero pag ginawa ko to, okay, game na ulit. Di ba? So, possible na rest din yun.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Di ba?
Kasi it's outside of your regular grind.
Yeah.
Parang iba siya sa ginagawa mo ng 9 to 5.
Okay, that's nice.
Eh ikaw, ano ba? What do you do? Who is Sherwin? Beyond
Yun.
9 to 5.
Beyond 9 to 5.
Tanong ng tanong eh, no? Hindi. Ako, mahilig ako manood ng TV. Mahilig ako magbasa, mahilig ako makipaglaro. Pero yung usual na ginagawa ko talaga ngayon, since na-share ko sa inyo kanina, papasok ulit ako sa school. So, nag-start na ako magbasa ulit.
Nice.
Naglalagay ako ng time for me to read. Kasi ayokong sabihin na medyo maedad na tayo.
It's never too late to
Diba?
learn something new.
Di ba? So parang it's my way of preparing myself para dito sa gagawin kong bago. Versus doon sa hintayin ko yung school bago, alam mo yun, bago mag-aral. Unahan ko na kayo. Di ba? So, yun yung ginagawa ko madalas ngayon. Aside doon nga sa... May routine na kasi ako eh. Pagdating ko sa bahay, check ko na yung mga halaman. Check ko na yan.
Plantito pala to eh.
Oo,
kinakausap
Pandemic
mo
ka
ba?
na ba yan?
Sinecheck ko na yan.
It's a remnant of your pandemic
May mga
life.
pangalan ba sila?
Wala naman. Nakakatuwa kasi, ito na yung harvest natin, ito yung ulam natin, diretso na ng luto.
Talaga? Lutuin? So hindi ito ornamental
Farm to
plant?
table.
Hindi ito yung tig 50,000 na
Hindi yan.
monstera.
Hindi naman.
Wow.
Tapos, after nun, Dylan, laro tayo chess. Okay, mag-set aside ka 30 minutes, and after that, since nabanggit ko kanina, clients, dyan papasok sa gabi eh. Diba? So,
Client call.
client call ulit. So, ganun ang ginagawa natin. And actually, it restores me na, alam mo yun, parang makalaro mo yung anak mo. Di ba? Talagang kahit na pagod ka, pag nakita mong nag-i-enjoy yung anak mo, talagang boom, game na ulit tayo.
Correct.
Di ba?
Siguro anything that works, no?
Yeah.
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 Personality.
Mm.
Personality. Like, plays a big factor also to your definition.
Correct,
Let's say
correct.
you're an extrovert. You want someone to share your time with. Pag introvert ka naman, you wanna be alone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, iba-iba. Iba-iba.
Ano yung
Ako introvert ako pero parang
Mukhang hindi naman, bro.
hindi ako introvert pag kakilala ko na.
Okay.
Pero pag in a group of people, like sa isang room, at maraming tao, pag hindi ako kinausap, hindi sila kakausapin. Hindi ako yung mag-make ng
ng first
Sa
first
church
move.
nga, pagka yun sa service, tapos sabihin na say hello to your seatmate. Nako, it's an introvert's worst nightmare.
Awkward,
na
awkward.
mag-hi hello to a random stranger.
Yeah.
Yun lang. Sa mga doctor's conference,
Yun lang.
naka-earphones eh. But kulang na lang magligid, don't talk to me. Parang nawala tayo sa topic. Anong nag-uusapan natin? Because at the end of the day, success for me is being fulfilled, being able to reach the goals that I've set for myself a few years ago, provide for my family, live a healthy lifestyle, and live comfortably. So I don't have to be a multi-billionaire or I have a really really high-profile job or be really ridiculously famous. But as long as I am happy in what I do and I have my family is comfortable, I can consider myself successful.
Yeah. Sa akin, from the day na, alam nyo yun, nag-start tayo from nothing. Tapos, we're grateful na nandito tayo ngayon. Andyan na yung yung achievements na nakuha natin. I've realized na as long as you're happy, nabanggit ni Doc Rocky kanina, you're enjoying what you are doing right now, and then at the same time, you are fulfilled, satisfied, kahit mahirap. Di ba? You're continuously pursuing it. And find meaning in everything that you do. Success na yun.
Yeah.
Happy ka pa.
Correct.
Di ba?
Nakatulong ka pa.
Nakatulong ka pa. Yeah.
Yeah. Success for me naman, it's always in all aspects, no? But the main, for me, the pinaka-main niya, it's we can give back to the society, no? Kasi we cannot give back to the society if we need itself yung help, no? So, I want to be that person that I can help more. So for me, in this position that I can help a lot of people, for me it's already success. Yun lang yan.
Acts, the
Yeah.
channel of blessing.
Channel of blessing, pare.
Parang pinnacle of success yun eh.
Oo.
Galing.
Philanthropic pag nandun ka sa philanthropy.
Servitude to
Pero hindi
others.
naman, wala pa naman tayo doon. Pero inaumpisa na
Diba?
natin.
We're on our way.
We're on our
towards
way.
it.
We're on our way. Yes, yes.
Extra. Cheers!
All right.
Cheers. Cheers to success.
Lakas ko makasuccess tapos tagal kong bayaran yung credit cards. This is After Office, conversations that matter beyond the 9 to 5. This has been Rocky.
Yeah, it's Sherwin.
This is Jonas. We'll see you after you clock out.
Cheers.
Cheers, cheers.
Cheers! Napapadami na.
Yeah.